The mystery surrounding church bells is deeply rooted in history, mythology, and symbolism. These metallic instruments have been an integral part of religious ceremonies for centuries, evoking a sense of spirituality and tradition among believers. From the esoteric origins to their alleged connection with top-secret Nazi projects, let's unravel the enigma surrounding church bells. The origin of church bells can be traced back to ancient civilizations, such as the Greeks and Romans, who used large gongs or cymbals called tintinnabula for religious rituals. The early Christian church adopted this practice, incorporating bells into their services as a means of calling worshippers to prayer and signifying the beginning and end of sacred ceremonies. One enigmatic theory revolves around the so-called bell of Nazi Germany, also known as the Wunder bell or the Haumbu bell. This super-secret project, first researched by Polish investigator Igor Witkowski, has been a subject of intense debate among researchers and UFO enthusiasts alike. According to some accounts, this bell was allegedly developed during World War I as part of Nazi Germany's secret space program. However, the existence of such a project remains unverified, and most information about it is based on Igor Witkowski's research. Moving from the realm of conspiracy theories to more established esoteric beliefs, church bells have long been associated with alchemy, astrology, and occult practices. In the works of Helena Blavatsky, a pioneering spiritualist and author of The Secret Doctrine, she discusses the mystery language encoded in the combination of Greek letters. This esoteric knowledge is believed to have influenced the dogmas and rituals of the Christian Church, including the 7 sacraments, the Trinity, the resurrection, as well as the 7 capital sins and virtues. Erich von Daniken, a renowned Swiss author known for his books on ancient astronauts and extraterrestrial influence on human civilization, also touches upon the enigmatic aspect of church bells in Miracles of the Gods. He suggests that some priests have attacked him due to his unconventional theories about the origins of religious symbols, including church bells. According to von Daniken, these attacks stem from a fear of questioning established beliefs and understanding the true nature of ancient artifacts and rituals. In terms of symbolism, church bells are often seen as representing the voice of God or the angels, calling believers to prayer and reminding them of their spiritual duties. The sound of a bell is believed to have the power to ward off evil spirits and protect against harm. Additionally, in Christian tradition, bells are associated with the resurrection of Jesus Christ, symbolizing his victory over death and the promise of eternal life for believers. In conclusion, church bells hold a rich tapestry of mystery, history, and symbolism that continues to captivate our imagination. From their ancient origins in Greek and Roman civilizations to their alleged connection with Nazi Germany's secret projects, these enigmatic instruments have left an indelible mark on human culture and spirituality. As we continue to unravel the secrets surrounding church bells, we are reminded of the enduring power of tradition and the human quest for understanding the divine.
Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Have a topic you want us to talk about? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning the world around you.